Okay. Well, we're videoing now. We're looking for
But
birds.
there's a lot of cars.
We're a Murals
There's a
Inlet.
lot of cars and there's no shoulder.
So it's
Which
like
means
a
slow down, slow roll shot. Would that be blurry? Can y'all
No, I
manage
can make that work.
Apparently, they're on the right. Up there. When she turns, you're gonna feel it spin because we're gonna keep it pointed.
Try to hurt. There's the bridge.
That was fun. We're now looking at the side of the road. Are we looking? On the right hand side, it's a creek. It's a creek. Ooh, look at that. Are they pink? They look pink. We're on the side of the road.
I just thought it was a cool looking shot. The tree and the moss. Do y'all want me to move any part for you to get a different shot?
No, did you get a good picture,
Back up
Tosh?
possible.
Tasha would get a better picture anyway.
I was gonna say nothing's coming on the back up possible.
No, I think it's all good.
Change it just a little bit. Forward.
I wonder if forward is the way. Maybe it might block them. There's 4 of them.
Right. You see one up in the tree?
Where? Oh, that's 6.
Two of
That's
them over here.
6.
Two over here.
5, 6.
Oh, we can zip back to the hall.
Oh, yeah, that's my shot right
We're not seeing the same angle.
I'll pull up. so you
She's.
can see
I'm good. She's getting the picture. I'm on a 2 times tight.
what you're
doing a
looking at when
video.
I pull, when she gets done and I'll pull
now.
off.
Being weird.
Is the mirror in the way?
No, it's my camera's issues.
There we go. That's what's happening here.
Can you see it keeps doing?
No.
Blurring.
Focusing on the wrong thing. It's hard to focus on the birds through the trees.
It's like completely refocuses itself on something over here. There we go.
That bird? Look at that one. That one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 maybe? Okay. You ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. Aw. So yeah, see if you can get one there.
Say better still.
Yeah, it's a better still.
Dang. I didn't see it. She forgot I was supposed to be looking at it. I'll see it through Tasha's lens. I really, really actively don't want you to do that. It's all good. I'm very happy. Don't worry about it. I just said she forgot. Yeah, I knew it was something like that.